Okay guys, I'm doing an unboxing and we just put this on my thing. But like I finally got this little package. It's just cardboard, I taped over all the stuff. But yeah, we're gonna unbox this thing. It's a microphone. It comes from one of my mates. He sent it like last Friday afternoon. It's currently a Wednesday, so it's taken almost a week to get here because Sundays and Waitangi Day just happened. But you see, I'm gonna hop into this right now. Apparently there's a present or secret surprise whatever in here. Put this on camera. Oh, that's like 8K 104 HD. Look at that. Oh, okay. Is that a bread bag? What the fuck? It's right, it's like newspaper. Oh, come on, one little bit. This is really close, by the way, but like, down here, what's in it? And have a look, see. Oh my god. Fucking hell, god. Okay, I can only take this out now. What's that? There's a shoebox. Okay, we're gonna... It's an H&M bag. I'll move it over there. But I'm gonna get into here. This is a microphone, by the way. They put it. It's like an eye. Oh shit! Bee swarm on the 2200 steam iron thing. Is there anything else? That's pretty slick out. You know what they say? Always cut towards yourself. Is it? Yeah. Okay. I have some better kitchen scissors I could be doing this with. Like, whatever. Oh, it goes out the sides as well. Look at that. Does it? Oh, no, never mind. It's opening. Oh, look at that. This is a newspaper from January 19th. I think this is it. Look at that. There's something else. Let's open. And this. Okay, there's two things. Get this out of the way. Okay, I'm gonna open this one first. Always cut towards your wrists. That's what they always said to me, you know? Just to be safe. Oh. Man, what the fuck? I see something that isn't green. Oh. Is that a different kind of bubble wrap? Oh, what? Just put that shit open, come on. Give me it. Ah, my ears, holy crap. It is the microphone with the USB printer cable. God damn, look at that. the jelly stain on it. The sticky glue shit, volume. You know, you guys are gonna hear me in Ultra 8K instead of laptop, phone, microphone stuff. It's over there. I open whatever the fuck this is. It's like a dildo or something. Man, why is so much tape? Oh, I better just cut into something. A jar. The thing on with the guy. With the guy. Just like a. What the fuck? Ah, god damn. This is Nelson Air in here. Probably just escaped already. I'm gonna. Where the fuck do I put this? I want to put it on my chair over here. Next to my soda water. Oh damn, that's the unboxing. And a Nelson newspaper. Oh damn, okay, well I'm gonna end the recording here. It's been 6 minutes, so it didn't actually take too long. Pretty slick though, pretty slick how pace. I'm gonna figure out what to do with all the rubbish.